How to create Amazon account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create Amazon account. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to amazon.com. Here in the accounts and list option, you want to click on the sign in option. Now, if you already have an account, enter the credentials and log into your account. If you are new to Amazon, click on create your Amazon account option. Now you have to enter your name on the first box. After you've entered that, on the second box, enter either your mobile number or email address. Then you want to create a password. Go ahead and create a strong one. Then you want to re-enter your password. Now click on the verify email option. Now, an OTP code will be sent to the email address that you just entered. Go ahead and enter that OTP code. Once you have entered the OTP code, click on Create Your Amazon Account option. Now, if the code you've entered is correct, as you can see, your new Amazon account has been successfully created. Now you can start exploring the website and purchasing the item. And in this way, you can create your new Amazon account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.